Do you want to make slime?
Yeah!
We'll teach you how. So these are the ingredients that you will need.
You need borax, stirring rod, food coloring, pipette, beakers, and glue.
So the first thing is so you have 2 beakers right now, and you take one of the beakers and fill it up to about 200 milliliters of water. And so after that, you take the borax, about 2 tablespoons of borax, and you mix it into the beaker that has water.
Ooh. Ah.
And then after that, you take your glue stick. You can use about 1.5 bottle or even half a bottle, depending how much water you put, and you just squeeze it in. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
Ooh. Ah.
After that, you take your stirring rod, and you mix it up. While mixing it up, make sure you take your food coloring, any of your color choice, and you take your bipad, and you just add however much coloring you want.
Whoa.
And then after, you wait for about 30 seconds. Okay, so 30 seconds after, you can reach in and grab your slime, which will turn out to be like this.
Ooh, wow.
Ooh.
Kind of.
Shiny.
So, this is how you make slime.
Ah.
And then after, you take the stirring rod and you stir it up. After you've done so.
Why do all of you guys break down? What was so funny? I just turned around and you're like bent over and like Xiaohui's like. I'm sorry.
Jennifer falls to the floor.
It was going to happen. There was no.
I was laughing because they were laughing. Yeah, why were you laughing so hard?
Continue
Lucy?
from.
Dude, there's a crap ton of borax in there.